Press the bell icon on YouTube and don't miss another update.
RJD leader and leader of opposition in Bihar, Tejasvi Yadav, on Thursday launched a scathing attack on the Prime Minister and alleged that he was a fake backward class, that he was not really an OBC. In a series of tweets, this is what Tejasvi Yadav said. He said, नरेंद्र मोदी जी नकली पिछड़े हैं, जन्म से लेकर 55 वर्ष तक वो अगड़े थे, फिर एक दिन अचानक पिछड़े बन गए. In yet another tweet, he said, प्रिय नरेंद्र मोदी जी, आप जनजात नहीं नकली ओबीसी हैं और हाँ आपने चोरी की है, क्या किया है आपने पिछड़ों के लिए. Essentially, what Tejasvi Yadav was trying to do was claim that the PM only talks about being from the backward class, from a backward community because of political motivations, and that he has done nothing for OBCs or for the backwards. This came in response to the PM's attack on the Congress and its allies, where the PM said that he'd been abused because of his backward caste, and by saying that all Modis are thieves, the Congress was basically now attacking the entire backward community. Well, why does the BJP believe that this conversation and Tejasvi's attack on the PM will help the party? Essentially, the party believes that any attack on the PM and his caste is something that can be used in his favor. We know that an earlier attack on his caste, where he was called someone from a lower caste, is something the BJP tried to milk to the hilt, and the party believes that it gives the PM another talking point, it gives the PM another reason to play victim, and it gives the PM a reason to attack the opposition, particularly the RJD, in a state like Bihar, where caste is an important factor. Also, the party believes that any personal attacks on the PM only end up boomeranging, because they believe the PM is popular, that he enjoys substantial goodwill among voters, and a personal attack on him is something that doesn't go down well with voters, and they believe that Tejasvi's attack is precisely something that the party can use to its advantage. Do keep track of us on YouTube for much more. For The Print, this is Ruhi Tiwari.